Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gamers Tech. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to exit a level in Candy Crush Saga. In Candy Crush Saga, players are tasked with completing various levels by matching candies to clear challenges. However, you might find yourself stuck or in need of exiting a level early. So here is how you do it. Go ahead and tap on the gear button with a little pink color in it at the bottom left corner whenever you want to exit the level that you are playing on. Now within the settings menu, tap on quit level. If you are sure you want to quit the level, you will lose a life and your pre-game booster. If you are sure you'd like to quit, tap on quit level and you will lose a life, and if you want to play the level once again, it'll start from beginning. Remember that Candy Crush Saga requires you to clear each level to progress further, and quitting a level before finishing it will result in a restart when you try again. So that is how you quit a level or exit a level in Candy Crush Saga. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, make sure to go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Gamers Tech for more Candy Crush Saga tips and tricks. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.